Welcome to my channel. Today I will explain a little more about Power BI and its UI. No, Previously we see how to create a simple line chart. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So, so this part is called a page. This part. You can create multiple pages making a click here. You can change the size of the page and other things. For example, if you click on this icon, you have a few options. You can rename the page. You have the canvas settings. You can change background. For your page. You can set a wallpaper, etc. Then you also have on your left here, this is desktop layout view. If you want to show your reports to someone who will use a mobile phone, you need to create a separate view for mobile. Like this. First, you need to have some chart on the desktop view, and then you switch to mobile, and you can see your desktop visuals, and you can add them to the mobile view. Then you can change the visual markers, data levels, very similar to the desktop options. So this say that changing setting in the mobile layout won't affect the desktop layout. You can see a small icon that show you that this option will be only for the mobile view. Let's try some other chart. Something like bar chart. And we will use the same columns as we used in the line chart. Date and sales. You can click here, for example, or you can drag and drop. The second option is better because you can control in which axis you want to put this column. Because if you click here, Power BI automatically move it to some axis or some option, and it's not always what you want. So for example, the sales, I want this axis, and the date will be X axis. Now you can see a bar chart. You can see that you have these few icons here. So for example, uh, we have 2 years, right? We can go to the next level in the hierarchy. The next level in the will be the quarter. You can see quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. The next level will be months. So remember, now we are seeing all data for each month. So it doesn't matter if it's 2013 or 14. So all the data is grouped by months. And the next level is a day. To go up, you click here, drill up. So this option, click to turn on drill down, means that when you click on column, you will go down in the hierarchy. For example, we want to see only 2013. Then we want to see only this one. Then December, etc. If you disable this option, if you click on the column, nothing happen, with the exception that when you click on some part of the chart, it will filter the data on other charts. For example, this is default behavior in the reports. For example, if we make a click and this option is disabled, all data on your report, this page, only on the page level, will be filtered. To undo this filter, you just click on some other part of the chart or the screen. And also you have, when you click on the three dots, you have a few options to export the data, show as table, remove. If we click show as table, you will see the data as table. So remember, if something is filtering all your charts, just click inside the chart in some other free space. If you want to maintain these columns, but you want to change the type of this visual or chart, you just click on something else, like this. But remember, not every chart is compatible with the other type of charts, because some visuals require more columns or more data to show the information. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.